swear to God! Stop touching me!
Listen.
Oh my God, stop touching me! Stop touching me! Oh my God, let me go, bro! Let me go!
You break my heart, you break my heart, you break my heart.
What's good, boys and girls? Back at again with this video. You already know what time it is. Reaction video, cop video. Excuse me. Whew. Yeah. So whew. So yeah, I need to get it out of the way. But yeah, so you already know what time it is. So reaction video, cop video. I think I found that video, came across on the internet. And the video is about another one. When I said another one, 19-year-old girl.
Like I won't smack the shit out of him. And they already shot me.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
A black woman.
Did you just say you would smack me?
No, y'all just shot a black woman, dude.
Did you say you're gonna smack me?
She's talking to a black woman in Chicago. You don't have to get in my face. She's talking to her mom. You don't have to get in my face.
Oh yeah. So last time I reacted to a 19-year-old girl, she like she was in her 30s. But this one right here is 19. Don't know how she look, but to me though, I know something bad gonna happen to this video. So yeah, so let's get to it. Let's see the video. Let y'all see my reaction. So if you're new in this channel, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, turn bell on, comment below, share your friend and family, and don't forget that subscribe button because it will help the channel a lot. And hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Show your boys some love, all boys and girls. So let's get to it with the video. 19-year-old dragged out of the restaurant over her hold on. I need to do this little thing.
Disgusting.
Oh yeah, disgusting behavior. I know some of you said disgusting, sweetheart. Thank you, but no, I want to say make sure I say it the right way, cause I want to say the opposite way. And y'all people on the comments said, you said it the wrong way, sir. So yeah, so disgusting behavior. So yes. So let me hit that light. Know what I'm saying? You already know your boy gonna do. Like it, turn the bad boy up, and watch this 19-year-old girl. I hope she 19. I hope she don't look like she 30 or 40. Dressing up like she be dressing like that other girl. She was dressing like
On September 30th, 2024, officers responded to a restaurant for a call of a fight breaking out where an individual was stabbed.
Boom.
The one who got stabbed. He threw it.
Okay, that's it.
The other boy who stabbed him threw it. It's right there.
How do y'all know?
Cause I seen it. We were right there.
Okay.
We were right there. We were with all of them. Yeah.
Y'all were in the car?
And they was arguing because two tires had popped. Two tires on his Mini Cooper had popped. We was on the side of the road for an hour 30 minutes. I swear to God.
Then
they started. No, there's a lot going on.
I know. Hey,
We was on the road for an hour and 30 minutes. They started arguing because.
Do y'all know who they are?
Yeah, I don't know who they are. No, I don't know who they are. Not like that.
Yeah, she
I used to go
19.
to school with the one who stabbed that boy.
Okay.
But the boy
She
who
loves
like
19.
that, I don't know him like that. I went to school
like she
at
18.
Winder, I don't know him like that.
Alright.
So this boy in this Mini Coupe that had picked me and Kira up, we was on the 2-man, if you know what that is. I don't know if you know what a 2-man is.
That's a lot of police
Me
car.
and my friend go with this.
I'm tripping or what? That's a lot of police car right there. It's one right over here. See my mouse people? It's one over here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 police officers. Jeez. That's a lot of police officers right there. They ain't playing.
This other one. 2 is 2 big. That's how it goes.
Okay.
That's a 2-man.
Here.
Basically.
Let's walk back over here.
Oh, that's sis. It's sis right there.
But
I'm telling the story.
I know.
Basically,
Wow.
his tires popped because he was speeding. His tires popped on the median. We pulled up right here. We was here for an hour and 30 minutes. Then shit started getting hectic. They start arguing and shit. And then they start fighting. That boy beat his ass. That boy who got stabbed beat his ass. And then they stabbed him and he drove off. That's all it was.
I don't know. All I heard was somebody stabbed
So,
him.
Yeah,
so
he
here-
drove off.
So you said they were talking about fighting?
No, they wasn't even talking about fighting. They was just talking and then it got to fighting.
They got to fighting?
Yeah, and then the nigga who got stabbed beat him up and then the nigga stabbed him and he drove off. I don't know where he's
So
at.
who got beat up?
The nigga who drove off. The nigga who
Got beat
stabbed
up.
him got beat up.
Okay.
And he drove off.
Alright.
Right here. Right here. And there was police passing us the whole time, but nobody was doing nothing. No police ever do nothing until every time somebody get hurt, and then y'all pull up. That shit's crazy.
No. You the police walked by.
Police drove by numerous times. Nobody did shit until somebody got stabbed, and
Well,
then y'all want to pull up.
how are we supposed to know anything's going on?
If
and
they're
nobody says
fighting in the
nothing?
middle of the f***ing street, y'all
Okay,
supposed to pull up.
well, you said it happened in the car.
No, it didn't happen in the car. I said it happened right here. Y'all aren't listening.
Easy, man.
I'm finna cry.
Here, hey. Here, what's your name, Dirty Bush?
No, I don't have a name.
have a
I
seat.
don't have a name.
We were in the car, so we were in the car.
Don't touch me, bro. Stop touching me.
Stop.
Stop touching me. No. Stop touching me.
You will go in handcuffs. Put her in handcuffs.
Stop touching me. What?
Have a seat.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I swear to God. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Listen.
Oh my God. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
So you were the other person in the car?
Girl, you.
So who else was in the car?
How you gonna say you got no name? What?
The other girl? 3 girls.
Oh, that's Pizza Restaurant.
She was a witness to it.
Search her.
Handcuffs, bro. I don't want to get handcuffs. I swear to God. Let me the go. Let me the go. I swear to God. Let me go, bro. Let me go.
Hey, my car right there.
Let me go.
Put the stuff in the back.
Let me go. What? Let me go. What?
Why she acting like this? Oh, girl, you going to jail. Your mom and dad gonna like, what you did, girl?
Let's take seatbelts down. Let's move that out of the way.
I don't have a name. You don't got no name.
Talk with us.
I will talk with you. I don't care. This don't got nothing to do with me. I don't even know these.
Alright. So you told me briefly when we were talking
No,
about
but
this.
can you get me out these handcuffs, please?
We'll do that in a second, okay?
Oh no, you want to talk calm and relax.
So you said that y'all were in the car, y'all were on a
Basically,
double
no,
date.
let me go from the beginning. So I don't even stay up here. I used to stay up here, but I moved to Gainesville like a year ago.
Yeah.
So I stay in Gainesville in Hall County or whatever, in a nice suburban little area. Like I don't get into this ghetto shit. That's why I don't hang around black people. So basically, they picked me up or whatever. We supposed to go on a 2-man, me and that girl in the pink jacket. It was 2 and 2. It was me and her. So we drove up here or whatever, and we just was walking downtown or whatever. We wasn't gonna go into any clubs because it's a Sunday. Like we wasn't gonna go into any clubs. We got food, and then he was riding. The boy DeAndre, you know who that is now?
No.
He was the one in the car, the one who stabbed that other boy. DeAndre, that's his name. He was speeding. He hit a median. He popped 2 of his tires on the left side, both on the left side. He popped 2 of his tires. So we pulled over right here because the boy who got stabbed told him to. The boy who got stabbed name is, I forgot. I don't know, start with a J, I think. I forgot his name. Anyway, the boy told him to pull over, so he pulled over. Like an hour and 30 minutes had passed. That's when Meech, the other girl right there in the black, had drove up because we was like, we need to get home. We don't know how we're going to get home on 2 pop tires. So she pulled up or whatever. Everybody was arguing because I guess we were mad because the tire had popped or whatever. But then the 2 boys started arguing. Mind you, they're friends, so we don't know nothing about nothing. Like we're all friends, but they're friends. We don't really know them. So they start arguing or whatever. And then the boy who got stabbed started beating DeAndre up, like he was on the ground and everything. DeAndre pulled out a knife out of his pocket. I don't know where he got that knife from. I didn't even know if it was in his pocket the whole time. He pulled out a knife, he stabbed him, he got in the car, he drove off. Me, Meech, and Kira over there, we was like, what's going on, what's going on? Like, we saw it, but we really didn't know because we not even used to this shit. Like, I don't even know what's going on. And then DeAndre threw his phone before he drove off. That's why I had ran over there to look for it, but they had already found it. I thought it was in the grass, but it was on the sidewalk.
What color is your phone?
Where's my phone?
Yeah, what color?
My phone is in the car, but it's pink. It's the iPhone 15.
Because there's a phone over there that's pink.
My phone?
A phone. I don't know whose phone it is. I was asking what color it was. It's like pink, rose gold.
No, my phone's like
pink.
Bright pink.
Yeah.
It's pink.
You know, it's like
bright
rose
pink?
gold.
But I thought I had my phone before I even got put in these handcuffs. I think Meech got my phone. I think that's his phone.
Yeah, that's like rose gold.
Yeah, that's his phone.
Who's the victims?
Yeah. Yeah. The one DeAndre threw the victim's phone.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you this.
But DeAndre,
you said that they were fighting. When they were fighting,
like fighting, like fighting, like the boy who got stabbed had picked DeAndre up and threw him on the ground or whatever, and was like punching him. And then DeAndre, as soon as DeAndre got up, he stabbed him. And then the other boy had ran off like over there somewhere. And we was like, come back, because we didn't know what was going on.
So you said, let me slow you down a little bit. We got DeAndre got slammed.
Yeah.
He got slammed, and then at what point did he stab?
DeAndre got slammed. He finally got up because the boy had really got off with him because he had already won at that point and don't need to keep fighting.
Yeah.
Then DeAndre pulled the knife out his pocket and stabbed him.
Where was he at when he got stabbed?
We were all right here.
Was he standing? Was he standing?
In front of the car, basically.
Was he standing? Was he sitting?
No, DeAndre was. DeAndre was standing up. The other guy was laying down on the ground.
When he stabbed him.
Yeah, when he stabbed him.
Why was the other guy on the ground?
Because DeAndre had already got up, and then the other guy had already knew DeAndre had a knife. He said, don't stab me. Then DeAndre stabbed him. And then he drove off on 2 flat tires, so he should be caught by now.
Yeah, no, they got him.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest and battery on law enforcement officers. Thanks for watching our content. Remember to
oh my goodness. But they got him. Like they said. Wow. Let's see. Females don't seem to understand that the don't touch me. Well, hold on, sir. Maybe it's the case. Read good. Hold on. Female don't seem to understand that the don't. That don't sound right. Understand the don't or understand that don't touch me line only work for the general public, not the cops pulling you on the wrist. That right here, this right here, boys and girls, I don't know what he about to say or what. That I know he need to understand that touch me line only works for, I don't know. But I like it though. But this part right here don't sound right. As soon as they unattended the word, I swear to God, you know they are lying. These teams are
unhinged.
Shoot. You are not being touched. You are being handcuffed and arrested. Oh my goodness. That was funny though. I ain't gonna lie. That was funny. Son just told me that it's not gonna be going off soon later, cause how she don't touch me. I don't got no name. You don't got no name. Who named you then? Like, what's your name? Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. But to me, I'm just gonna react to that quick little reaction video for y'all people. Know what I'm saying? 'Cause I came across to the internet. Y'all know, just scroll down, pull my little save in and say, hey, I'm gonna react to that bad boy. Let y'all watch it and see. So yeah, if y'all new to this channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, tell me comment below, and share your friend, family. And don't forget that subscribe button, because it will help the channel lots. And hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Show your boys some love. Alright, boys, girl, and I will see y'all next time. Deuces.